Welcome to Stock Invest channel, where we bring you the latest updates from the stock markets before they open. Today, we dive into the impact of President Trump's new tariffs and how they are shaping market dynamics. Trump's tariffs have come into effect, targeting both allies and competitors. The Standard & Poor's 500 has closed below 5,000 for the first time in a year, reflecting investor concerns over potential trade wars. United States stock futures are hovering around the flat line, with market participants cautious after recent volatility. The Dow, Standard & Poor's 500, and Nasdaq futures all show slight declines as traders assess the tariff impacts. Investors had hoped for negotiations on tariffs, but those expectations were dashed as the White House confirmed additional tariffs on China, escalating tensions further. The United States is set to impose a 104% tariff on Chinese goods, prompting promises of retaliation from Beijing. The trade conflict is weighing heavily on market sentiment. Despite a multi-day market slide, Trump remains firm on his tariff strategy, citing the need to correct trade imbalances. Investors are left grappling with uncertainty. Treasuries have seen a sell-off as investors seek liquidity to meet margin calls. The ripple effects of the tariffs are being felt across various asset classes. As Trump's tariffs take hold, equity markets have been on a downward trajectory. The Standard & Poor's 500 is nearing bear market territory, with substantial losses since early April. Trump dismisses market turmoil as a necessary step for fairer trade deals. However, traders are concerned about the potential long-term implications for the economy. In earnings news, Delta Airlines and Constellation brands are set to report their quarterly results. Investors will be watching closely for insights into demand and consumer sentiment. Delta is expected to shed light on the impact of tariffs on travel demand, while Constellation brands will provide a glimpse into consumer spending trends amid economic uncertainties. Recent data shows a decline in consumer sentiment, with Americans worried about personal finances and job security. Inflation expectations are also on the rise. The Federal Reserve's minutes from its March meeting will be released today. Analysts are keen to see how the Federal Reserve views recent tariff developments and their economic implications. The Federal Reserve has indicated a potential slowdown in its balance sheet reduction, but Trump's tariffs could alter the inflation and economic landscape significantly. Oil prices have hit a 4-year low, driven by the intensifying trade dispute between the United States and China. The energy sector is feeling the pressure from these geopolitical tensions. Brent and West Texas Intermediate crude futures have experienced significant declines, reflecting concerns over global economic growth and demand. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Stock Invest channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time with more market news.